Well, we're back with Dr. Dejana. This is Megan. She's a chiropractor. How you doing, Doc?
Well, thank you.
Glad to have you here. Dr. Dejana, you have exercised since you were how old?
Very young.
So, quite a while. Now, what I'd like to emphasize today with Dr. Dejana is a French press. This is also known as a skull crusher in gyms. We don't use that term because it doesn't happen in this exercise, but it does mimic how this exercise is done. Now, it's for the triceps, which are on the back of your arm. Now, the triceps are, let's just say this is Dr. Dejana's left arm. I'm gonna flip this over so that we can see, these are the triceps here. This is the medial head, or the one on the inside. This is the lateral, and in the middle. And interestingly, in physical therapy, we actually use the French press to help increase shoulder stability because look, the muscles actually, this medial head here, the one inside, this actually goes up and it attaches to the scapula, this bone right here. So if this muscle is stronger, it can help add stability to the shoulder joint. So she's gonna lay back, and I'm gonna hand the bar to her just to make this a little bit of an easier presentation. She grabs the bar, and the bar she grabs basically straight down from her shoulder. So as I'm looking at this, her hands are right in front of her shoulders, right in line with her shoulders. So she's gonna start so that her shoulders are in slight flexion, is what that's called. You can feel the tension there. Mm-hmm. Do you feel the tension here?
No.
Versus here? Yeah, see, gravity's doing work on her triceps. Your triceps may be a little bit sore tomorrow, but that's okay. Now she's gonna bend her elbows, and then she's gonna push back up, and she's gonna go right back down. And I'm gonna take my hands off. Now you're gonna try to push that bar right into my belly. My belly's over here. Now push it right into my belly. Oh yeah, now that's real good. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Great.
And she's not arching her back. She's keeping her belly in and the head still. Oh, that's great, good. Now try to use the pecs to pull the elbows in. Oh yeah, that's pretty juicy there, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, good. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Bear in mind, when she was doing that, she wasn't arching her back, she was keeping that down, and she was keeping the shoulder blades down too. She wasn't moving her head at all. 2 sets, maybe 15 reps, and since she hasn't done this exercise in a while, her RPE, or how hard she's working on a scale of 0 to 10, maybe 3 or 4 out of 10. But that's it. Thanks, Doc. Good job.